In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Google Docs. Whether you're a seasoned Google user or just getting started with their suite of productivity tools, this guide will walk you through signing in with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up a web browser. This can be any browser of your preference, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, whichever you feel most comfortable using. Once the browser is open, head to the search bar, typically located at the top of your screen. In the search bar, type Google Docs and hit Enter. This will pull up a variety of search results related to Google Docs, one of the most widely used tools for creating and managing documents online. Next, take a moment to scan through the search results. What you're looking for is the official Google Docs link, which is generally the first or second result and should take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. You can usually identify it by the URL, which starts with docs.google.com. Give that link a click, and you'll be transported to the official site. Once you've arrived at the Google Docs welcome page, it's time to log in. You'll see a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you have the option to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. If you already have these details saved, it might autofill for you. After entering your email or phone number, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure to double-check that you've entered it correctly. It's not uncommon to mistype passwords, and it's always advisable to ensure your caps lock is off unless your password requires it. Upon signing in, if you've entered your credentials correctly, you'll find yourself on your Google Docs dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully signed in. From here, you'll have the full capability to create new documents, which can be done by clicking the big plus button labeled blank or by choosing from one of the many templates Google offers. This dashboard also allows you to open and edit any existing documents you have and effortlessly collaborate with colleagues or friends by sharing document links or inviting people directly. Google Docs saves every change you make automatically, so you can have peace of mind that your work is safe and sound. In just these few steps, you've not only logged into Google Docs, but you're also equipped and ready to start creating and collaborating on documents. This efficiency and ease of access are just a few reasons why Google Docs is such a valuable tool for so many. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.